Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of Business Central and related products. In this episode, we're going to look at Dynamics 365 Sales Professional integration with Business Central.
As I discussed in the previous video on Dynamics 365 Sales Professional, that product is a full-featured CRM. Within Dynamics 365 Business Central, there are some CRM-like features, but nothing as complete as what's in Sales Professional. So let's look at a few of the integration points. If I'm looking at a customer in Business Central, I may want to see how or what has been done with that customer in the Dynamics 365 Sales Professional. So I'm going to jump into a Datum Corporation, which is one of the companies in Business Central. And under the Navigate menu, I'm going to see a Common Data Service menu item. Now, this is because I have installed and configured the Common Data Service, which is the underlying database, so to speak, that the Sales Professional system is using. And I've also integrated Sales Professional. So when I drop down this list, I can choose to do something called a coupling. So I have already set up a coupling, but if I go into the coupling screen, what I see is that the Datum Corporation from the Common Data Service is connected to this Business Central customer called Datum Corporation. And it tells me what all of the different fields are that are available. So I can see, all of the different data that's in the two systems. I can also, from the same menu, I can choose to go to the account, and it's going to open another screen, and it's going to log me in to Sales Professional. And now I'm going to have my Datum Corporation information available in front of me from Business Central. So if I had created a series of contacts for that customer or account, if I had created opportunities, etc., I would now be linked to them. If I'm in my Sales Professional account and there's a linked Business Central account, then I can click on the Dynamics Business Central link, and it's going to bring me into Business Central, and it's going to display that account for me without me having to go look for it in Business Central. So this is really a two-directional integration between the two systems. Let's look at some of the other stuff that's in the system. If I search for cases, then I can go into the Dynamics 365 Sales Cases. Now, when I launch this, I'm still inside Business Central, but I'm seeing data that's presented to me from the Dynamics 365 Sales Professional side. So some of the integration points are visible in the Dynamics 365 Sales configuration. Let's look at the integration table mappings. These are the integration table mappings that are available out of the box between Dynamics 365 Business Central and Dynamics 365 Sales. Most of these, as you can see, are limited to a sales relationship, although a vendor does integrate. We also have products will integrate in a couple of different places, items and resources, customers and shipping agents, and vendors or accounts. So there's various integration points that go into CRM, and sometimes the same CRM table is used for multiple source tables in Dynamics. It's also possible for a developer to add additional integrations. So if you've created in the common data model, you've created some extra data, maybe for a Power Apps application, and you want to integrate that into Business Central, that can be done relatively easily with the integration toolkits.
Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our channel by clicking here, or click here for the next great video. We look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.